Thursday?
Morning.
Yeah. He's all grumpy bear because we got up about an hour late, didn't we? Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Becca and I played Monopoly till 2 o'clock this morning. And now we're tired. But we're going to open our advent calendars while we're waiting for Becca to finish getting ready.
I've got 5 peepees. Oh, it's 2.
Hot chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay, I'll put this down because it's easier. Hide the room. What day are we on now? The 7th?
Yes.
Oh, this is not good. It's round.
Why does that make it not good?
Just can't get the round ones out. Ooh. Okay, we got that. It's a baked blush in the colour Hard Day. It does look very nice. Oh, that's quite pretty, I like that. Nice summery colour. Cool. I'll put it in my little pile. Who's standing on that poor puppy dog? Having your breakfast? Yeah. So, this one's finally awake.
Fine.
Yes, and ready, and we are finally on our way to Clarke's village. This one's still grumpy because he wanted to leave at like 8.
We might make it there on people while they're still open. But...
It's late night shopping on a Thursday, and also it's only 10:30. It's only 2 hours away. Like, you're fine.
What's Ikea there? That's the wind.
Ikea's like 8 or something, isn't it?
Hooly.
Blowing a hoolie. Seriously, Grandpa.
You're a grandpa.
Yeah, so I've got the Mac. I'm going to do some editing in the car on the way so we can get caught up with the Vlogmas vlogs. And we will catch up with you when we are there in a couple of hours. Unless anything massively exciting happens on the way, but
Probably not.
probably not. She thought we were going to have conversation, but...
Everyone's got other plans.
Yep. So, we are at Clarke's village to go and do some shopping. She's moaning because she can't see anything, but this is fine. I think the first stop is going to be lunch at Frankie and Benny's because we're all hungry now. Okay, so Carl and I are sharing the wrapped hot dog, which I'm a little bit mad at because it's supposed to be a foot-long pigs in blanket and it's not. And then a meat lovers burger, which is basically meatballs, pulled pork, burger, bacon, cheese, just about everything. And what's Becca got?
We're sharing the pulled pork one and the wrapped ones and shoot.
There we go. So yeah, we're gonna tuck in and get some dinner. Cold. It is cold. So we had some lunch in Frankie and Benny's behind us. This way. It was okay, wasn't it? Nothing too special, but we had a 50% off, so it actually cost 26 quid for all 4 of us to eat. So
£7 each.
bonus. And now we're gonna go do some shopping because
£6.50 each. I can't math.
no. But yeah, we're gonna go do some shopping and warm up because it's freaking cold. Check out the size of the leather. It's huge. There's my hand by one of these for comparison.
Spider-Man one. You'll find a Spider-Man one.
Look how pretty it is. It's snowed. I mean, not real snowed, but oh, and there's lights. Yeah, so it's all glittery like snow. In this kids thing, which technically she kind of can. Ow. I mean, not well. Oh, that's not going to end well. This from the one that gets claustrophobic. You're too tall.
I can't fit in there.
Oh, ow. I'm not really sure she can fit in there, to be fair. So, we are all done at Clarke's. Did everyone have a good day?
Yes, I bought a fluffy.
Yeah. She'll probably show you what that was when we got home.
Starting
right now it's...
route to Ikea.
Can you tell where we're going now? Right
Proceed
now
to the route, then turn left onto A39.
Sat-navs are so rude, they're always interrupting. And I did some damage in the lint shop. Oopsie daisy. But yeah, so as you may have gathered, we are now going to Ikea, so we will see you there. Okay, so we may have done some damage today. Some of this is Christmas presents, oh, and some of it I just bought. And we also have some stuff here and here. So I will figure out what we can show you and then I will show you. Okay, so here's our random collection of stuff. I've just laid it out a bit sporadically, so we'll just go through where it's from, and then this little pile down here is all Christmassy stuff, so I won't go through that. But I bought myself some new sketchers, which are kind of like UGG style. These aren't on the table because if you're superstitious like my nan was, new shoes can't go on the table. But yeah, they're just some black UGG style sketchers. These were about 40 quid, I think. They're so soft and memory foam lined, so yeah, winner. I also treated myself to a Lindt advent calendar because they were £3 and I kind of miss having a chocolate advent calendar, so why not? But before I did that, I actually bought us all chocolate snowmen, or Santas even. That's quite clearly a Santa from Thornton's. So yeah, and also a big bag of Lindt, which I won't really take them all out because that would be crazy. But yeah, it's just their little pick and mix selection. Will actually keep me going for a little while. And plus it's in their cute festive bag, so yay. And then some, these don't look very exciting right now actually, but they're, oh look, it does show you on the box, ideal. Pops up to be little light up presents. So I've got 2 sizes of those from Ikea, and also a soft rugby ball toy. I think probably you've seen Poppy playing with these in our vlogs before. They're like £2 each and she loves them, and she has one, so I picked up another 2 so that if she does happen to destroy it, because they are just plush, then I have some spares. And that's also from Ikea. And then I have some wrapping paper here. This was on the 3 for 2 in M&S, so like £5 for the 3 rolls. That's not too bad. Ziploc bags from Ikea, not too exciting really. And 2 packs of napkins from Ikea as well, which is also probably not very exciting, but kind of Christmassy. As well as some chip clips, which again, probably not very exciting. However, there's quite a lot in there for like, was it 150 or something like that, so pretty good. I also got this little Christmas tree and pot. The pot I think was like £3 and then the tree was £4.95, so, and here's real, so I'm happy with that. And then Steffi and Dave may get this from the Adventures Out. Just in case they're needed, I bought 2 gingerbread house kits, so they will get that. And then this jumper here was from M&S and it was showing us reduced. It's actually, well, I thought it was navy, but it might be black. It's looking black in the camera and to my eyes now, so I don't know. But it was reduced to £20, and then when I got to the till it actually rang through at like £14.50, so extra bonus. So yeah, that's all the stuff I bought today that I can show you. I'm going to go and put this stuff away now, and I'm just uploading the 2 videos that I edited on the way to Clarke's today. And I think we're just going to crash out because it's now 10 to 12 again. So yeah, night guys.